Luscombe Mitsubishi of Leeds are delighted to offer this fantastic Vauxhall Astra 1.4 turbo 150 horsepower Elite Nav. And the car's beautifully finished in metallic Rioja Red and is equipped with these multi-spoke 17-inch alloy wheels on the exterior. On the interior, as you can see, we have full leather, and in addition to the front seats being heated, the rear outer seats are also heated too. And the car's equipped with the Intellilink satellite navigation and communication system, which also incorporates Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You have the dual zone climate control, the 6-speed manual transmission. The car also comes with cruise control with speed limiter, automatic headlights, automatic wipers, and also full Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calling. As we can see here, the boot is extremely large, even for a family vehicle of this size. And you can also see the rear tether points for ISOFIX child seating. If you'd like to know any more, or to arrange a test drive on this top specification family hatchback, please don't hesitate to contact Luscombe Mitsubishi of Leeds on 0113 277 6099.